Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to make these beautiful leaves. I'm making these for a hairpin, which is gonna be like this, and then like this. I will be showing you in another video how to make this beautiful hairpins. Today I will be just showing you how to make these beautiful leaves. Okay, can begin. I am using Cooper wire green for 0.4 mil, and I will be using these green beads, which is 2 mils. Okay, just gonna get a little bit more. Okay, then I will be using the wire cutter for this. Okay, we just get, I want to make this the smallest one for now, and then I will explain to you how to make the big ones too. It's the same basic stuff. Okay, we'll get 10 centimeter, a bit more than 10 centimeter, a wire. Okay. Then I put 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. From the 3, I only take from other side of the wire. I go from the hole, just 2 of them. I put 3 beads, and I'm just going to put through only on 2, and 1 just left. I left the 1 there, and oops, okay, left the 1 there, and it's like this. Put it on another hole, just go through. Okay, make sure you do the both sides. Okay, that's it. Now I put 1, 2, and I'm gonna put 3 more beads. 1, 2, 3. Then we do the same again. Go through inside. Then voila. Okay. Okay, now it's 3. Now I'm gonna put 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, doesn't want to come up. 4. Then I put the bead through the other side of the wire, put it through. Oh, it doesn't want it. Okay. Okay, there you go. So, yeah, now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to put 5. 1. Every time you add up 1 beads. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll go through the inside again and do the same thing. Okay, now I'm gonna put, I've done 5 because I want this to be small like this one, so I put 5. Now I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna put 5. This is 5 now. I'm gonna put 4, so we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm doing the small one. Now we go backwards. Done 5, and now this is 4. We go backwards. 4. Then I'm gonna put 3. Then 2. Okay. There we go. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3. So we go backwards. 3. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, and then we go from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Okay, now 2, 1, 2. Okay. On my other video, I want to show you how to make this one. See? And I'm doing these leaves for this, like this, you know. It will look better when, obviously, when I finish it. So 2 and last one. 1. Go through inside the bead from the hole. Now there we go. This is the leaf. Twist it round. There you go. This is my leaf. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on my next video when I do this. This hair pins, I want to show you how to put them together too, like this. You know, it's gonna be like this, and it will be very pretty on your hair too. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the like button, and you will see my video more of my videos. Thank you.